Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got a box from Thailand. This is a variety from Thai President Foods. You might know them as the company that makes Mama Noodles. Yeah, this is something new from them. Very curious to see what it is, so let's check it out. Alright, and there we have it. Looks like a bunch of the same one. And indeed they are. This looks to be the latest addition to Mama's Oriental Kitchen range. This is their salted egg variety. Salted egg is very popular in Southeast Asia, and I'm very curious how this is going to be. This might be a flavor a lot of people aren't familiar with. I'm guessing there's probably going to be a lot of strong notes of egg yolk in this. Duck egg yolk? It's possible, could be chicken egg yolk, but I want to go with duck. And so yeah, they sent 8 of them over. Really appreciate that. Not only that, the first time they tried to send some over, they didn't make it through, and so they were kind enough to try again, and here they are. So, alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.